How are you doing? There's been a little confusion, I think some misunderstanding about the best way for us to hold and use the communion paten at Mass. So Father Jim asked that I reach out to especially the ministers, custodian ministers of Holy Communion, to make sure that we do have a clear understanding of the expectation of using the communion paten. So the communion paten is a small circular disc at the end of a wooden handle. It is designed to catch any particulate matter of the Eucharist from getting to the ground. It gets caught on here. Therefore, from the moment that you start to use the paten, you must make sure that the paten stays level, perpendicular to the floor. There are some who, at the end of the communion evolution, will carry the paten this way. Well, take a short demonstration as an order. Put a coin or a pretend coin on here. There's only so far I can go before that coin falls off. We believe that any particle of the Eucharist is the body, blood, soul, and divinity of Jesus Christ. Therefore, we must be clearly attentive to any particulate matter on this paten. So, while you are assisting, holding the paten, be sure the paten is held level from the moment you put it level the first time until the paten is cleaned at the altar by the priest or deacon. Now, I do understand you get the paten out of the rack, you're going to walk over to your spot for communion, and you want to hold the paten this way. Fine. But from the moment you receive, the paten is now horizontal, it needs to stay horizontal. Okay? Real important. One other little thing. Let's pretend for a moment that this is the Eucharistic minister, and people are approaching from that way. The best thing to do is take your strong hand, that's right-handed if you're right-handed, left-handed if you're left-handed, that's the hand that you hold the paten in. Take your body and put it perpendicular to the communion minister. And keep this paten close to the communion minister. I've had both adults and kids start reaching out further and further for people as they come up. Well, the arm of the communion minister is only so long. If you're out here, there's no way that they can put the communion in the person's hand, much less on the tongue. Stay in close. If you're turned 90 degrees to the minister, you can certainly have the paten in front of the minister and have the reach to get people who might be side by side. You might need to move your leading foot just a little bit out or back in to reach just a little further, but maintain the paten close to the communion minister. Okay? Once the communion is finished, bring the paten up, keeping it flat, hand it to the priest or deacon who will purify it, hand it back to you or one of the servers to put back where it belongs. Got any questions about this, concerns, comments, please feel free to reach out. Thanks so much for your service.